Hi everyone, it's Kino here. Welcome to the space of yin. And this practice is deeply relaxing and restorative, perfect if you're looking for a space of healing. We're going to get started in a reclining position, so take your feet hips width apart and then exhale, roll down, find constructive rest. Feet wider than hips width apart, your knees spiraling in. We'll stay here for about 5 breaths and let these 5 breaths initiate the inward turning of the mind. Letting go of whatever obstacles are present, letting go of whatever difficulty or struggle might be present, and just allowing yourself to breathe and feel. Let's have 2 more breaths. One more breath. On the next breath in, let's draw both knees up into the chest. You can hold underneath your knees or interlace the fingers. And just relax the body here. You might want to separate the knees. You might want to keep them close together, your choice. Feel the femurs, the thigh bones, settling into their sockets. The weight of the legs, the bones of the body, balanced and almost floating in an effortless space of non-doing. Slowly separate the knees. We'll point the soles of the feet up. Let's find the happy baby. You can hold under the calf muscles, hold under the ankles, or you can hold the feet. Each of these is progressively a bit more challenging for the body. So be sure that the body's comfortable, that it's not stressful. If we have hold of the ankles or the feet, make sure that the arms are not pulling and that the fingers use only the amount of force necessary to hold on. And the arms, like weights, hanging off the feet or the ankles. Any little micro movements that want to happen, allow that to happen. If there's pain or pressure in the lower back, we can take the bolster or the blocks and place it underneath the lower back. But if you're comfortable, you can just stay right here. Close the eyes, relax, release, no stress. Just a few more breaths. Easy does it, no forcefulness. Releasing lightly the grip on the feet. Straighten the legs. Changing the grip now to either the heels, the ankles, or if the body needs support, we can hold underneath. Allowing, again, the arms to act as weights. Exploring the feeling of whether both feet are near the ground, exploring the feeling of whether the hips are off the ground or on the ground, the sacrum. This is a little more intense, so just remain equanimous, remain calm. Two more breaths. One more breath. Return to happy baby and then close the feet, bringing the soles of the feet together, interlace the fingers. Just hold that Baddha Konasana shape just for a moment, lazy. Heels can slide apart. Just hold on for a moment. Observe pleasure, pain, comfort, discomfort. And then release, bringing the legs down. Bring both knees over to one side. Drape your hands to the other. Then slowly drape the knees to the other side and the arms to the other. Let the head fall where it wants to fall. And let's come back to the center, constructive rest. Extend the arms and legs. Rest for a moment. And then slowly fold the body over to the left. Come all the way up to a comfortable seated position. Let's close the eyes for a moment. Settle again. Slowly now, on the next breath in, let's open the eyes. Thank you so much for joining me on this yin practice. I hope you feel relaxed and that the hips feel open and released. If you enjoyed this yin practice, I want to invite you to join me on my online channel, Omstars, where we do live yin classes for an hour, sometimes even more, and a whole bunch more.